Ready? Quiet on set. Yeah.
Sex is precious.
Hey, my name. Today is Monday, and we're gonna be shooting the scene of Thabo talking to his mother, who's the late mother, and it's gonna be exciting. I mean, I'm very excited. I mean, not really excited. I'm sad for this scene. No, let's go one. This is our first take, our first shot ever for this TV drama. Rolling X. Rolling shot. Action. Like you try to be a tough guy, but Wale, damn. Like you don't want to be a sissy, but you try to toughen up. Alright. So do that. Alright. So. How does it feel, man, to cry mo setting and le gone gore actor na o le monano le gore ke la ntho actor mo drameng?
The whole thing was so personal. That's business in Tirahore. Like crazy. Well, being part of this, really, I'm learning a lot. There's a lot to learn, and I believe everyone who believes in himself to be an actor can do it.
We're on the set for Tabo's scene, where Tabo is at with Mike and they're in the house, and the young kids are having like a chill session, a party time. Hey. In.
Hey, sorry. Let's get it.
In the scene is to look the part even though you are not. Action. Hey, so you pretend like you're correct. You pretend like you're having a nice time, but you're really uncomfortable.
Time gone?
My ghost guy is up, bro.
Primary. Okay?
Yes.
You guys are about to go on TV. How do you feel about that?
I'm nervous.
Nervous.
But today the plan like tomorrow first thing.
Gore go establish ba sekolo. E guys nna la tsana le dithaneleng. Papa le beat. Bye.
Hey Samantha, Shadrack, direct ka bona go na ba chaile. Hey.
Ready? Scene 1B.
See you later.
Cut. Back.